What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Island on a Plate, where I give you guys my point of view on Caribbean ingredients, spices, food, dishes that I enjoy using and I enjoy eating myself. Sit back, relax, and let's talk about Caribbean food. What do we have here? Yeah, this is called Penpennel, a.k.a. West Indian bay leaf. Not to be confused with your traditional bay leaf. Personally, I've been looking for the name of this ingredient for so long because we use it so much in Haitian cuisine, especially when we're doing labouyi, chokola, peyi and stuff. I never knew what it was. I thought it was bay leaf, but then I did some research and found out it's called West Indian bay leaf or pimenta resmosa. It's a little warm, spicy, and slightly sweet with a hint of cinnamon, allspice, and clove. And when it comes to the taste, it's more fragrant and more robust than the traditional bay leaf. This bad boy is pretty strong, so a little bit goes a long way. Typically 1 or 2 leaves per pot. In Haitian cuisine, we use this to do labouyi, a.k.a. porridge, or chokola peyi, that we know as a Haitian hot chocolate, stews, sauces, and stuff like that to add extra boldness and flavors. It is often paired with cinnamon sticks, star anise, and nutmeg to create that signature Caribbean spice bouquet. In Haitian households, when the Penpennel is simmering in a pot, the smell that comes out is a sign of comfort and care. It's like it's bringing back all those childhood memories, all those beautiful moments with your family, the holidays and all. Beyond Haiti, West Indian bay leaves are treasured in the Caribbean, but they're not widely available outside of the region. That's what makes it a very distinctive marker of the Caribbean.